So I've now written another song on here. Now this time I'm just using crotchets, 1 beat notes, and minims, 2 beat notes. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Now let's look at the pitches. Okay, so there's our F, A, C, E, there's our A. A, 1, 2, 3, E. So that's an E. So it goes from E. That's all the help I'm going to give you. Okay, now you've got to work out what song I've done here. Pause the video if you like. Have you worked it out? If you think it's lightly row, you are correct. So now find lightly row in your book. It should be on page 27 in your book. Here it is. There you go. You can see. 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, back over here. 2, 2, 2. Okay. Right, I'm going to do another bit of lightly row now, and you have to spot it. Let's see if you can spot it even before I've finished it. Okay, it's a bit messy, but you can see just about. So the rhythm again is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Have you found it? Is it on line 1, line 2, line 3, or line 4 of lightly row? If you think it's at the end of line 2 or the end of line 4, you are right. Okay, now you might remember in the last video we also talked about quavers. Yeah, now quavers, when they were together, they're beamed like that, and they were half notes, weren't they? Half, 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 half. So I'm going to do a song with some quavers. Now, okay, so can you turn to perpetual motion in your book on page 33? Okay. Now, while I'm setting this up, you can play a bit of perpetual motion. Now, we haven't done very much reading on the E string yet, so we're going to do a bit now. So we've got our F, A, C, E, the spaces. So there's the E. So if our E is here, those are E's, yeah? That means that must be a 1, that must be a 2. And then this one, we need an extra line for this one, because this one is third finger on the E string. No, I haven't got enough of these, have I? I have to do this one. Now these are quavers, so I've got to bar them all across. Now when you get 4 quavers all together, if you look in your perpetual motion, 4 quavers, half, 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 all together. So when I get 4 together, I can bar them all together like that. So I'm going to do the same over here. So these are notes on the E string in perpetual motion. Can you find the bit that I've written in perpetual motion? Is it the first section, the second section, or the third section? Let's have a look. If you said the second section, you'd be right, because there you look, 3 fingers on the E string. But we are learning to read the rhythms and the notes.